really hard, because saying that I'm just jealous, threatened, or insecure is going to be so much worse than just hiding behind these photos.
And it's not going to end there. Like, she could delete all the photos and something else is going to come up that's going to jog up his jealousy and feeling of insecurity is just there. So the verdict was asshole, obviously. Comments, you're the asshole. She is right. You are emotionally insecure. Someone said, you're the asshole and deeply insecure, immature and controlling. Your girlfriend isn't obligated to erase years of photos from before you met because of your crippling insecurities. Grow up. You're the asshole. He showed you a group shot that happens to have her ex in it. Ask her not to show you those pictures.
Emergency video activated.
How it is to feel that lonely mood. Come back again. I'm just crazy about you, babe.
Fucking look, cunt.
The Prowler break-ins weren't the only reason for police issuing additional patrols throughout the relatively small city. There had been a number of other crimes that had warranted the extra manpower.
Fucking stupid cunt.
No one in law enforcement realised.
Okay.
Freaking up.
I fucking idiot!
Telco behind. Love a big network? Amazon uses a big network. And what does a big mobile network need? A plan with big data. And right now, get a massive 120 gigs for just $13 for your first renewal. So escape your pricey telco with Amazon. Amazon! Ongoing is $40 from second renewal and 80 gigs from fourth renewal. 28 day expiry. Ends 30th July 26. Amazon uses the Optus network. See amazon.com.au for the coverage. T's and C's apply.
You can retire with the confidence of guaranteed income for life. Ascend a life. Protecting Australians' confidence for over 107.
You got a red light, buddy. Oh my lordy lord. Dashcam!
What the fuck? Use your eyes! showing you an idiot. Stupid!
Jesus fucking Christ. Are you right? Get off your phone!
Well, clearly.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Oh, fuck me, cunt.
Huh? Yeah.
Fuck him.
Well, oh my god, cunt.
He ran the red light.
Yeah.
What the fuck? That was a...
Yeah, and of course now that this settlement has happened, the first place that Kyle went to speak about it was Game Changers Radio,
fuck.
Craig's podcast, and he
Jesus.
said that